Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness, and I am introducing the Pawsome Sentiments Stamp Set. Ooh, love! These are photopolymer stamps, and here you have 9 sentiments with the option to get the coordinating die that cuts around these wonderful sentiments, like so. Ooh, look at those eyes on that cat. Love it, love it, love it. Let me read to you some of the sentiments here. Turn up for tuna. Love it. Let's take a closer look at this stamp. From Meow to you. If cats could talk, they wouldn't. Keep calm and purr on. Did someone say catnip? Turn up for tuna. Be positive. Look at menow. If I fits, I sits. I guess if I fit in a box, I'm sitting in that box. Long live and pawspurr. Oh, that one's cute. That one's like from Star Trek. Live long and prosper. Oh, I love that. Alrighty, crafters. Take a look at the details below so you can get this awesome cat sentiment stamp set that goes along so perfectly with the Pawsome Cats stamps. Those cute, pretty kitties. Alrighty, crafters. Check out all the other videos here for this Pawsome Cat release. It's all good. Thanks so much for watching. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye!